The SR-71, also known as the Blackbird, was a high-altitude, long-range reconnaissance aircraft operated by the United States Air Force. It was developed in the 1960s as a replacement for the U-2 spy plane, which was vulnerable to enemy anti-aircraft missiles. The SR-71 was designed to fly at speeds of over Mach 3 to 3 times the speed of sound, and at altitudes of up to 85,000 feet, which made it difficult to detect and intercept. It was powered by two Pratt & Whitney J58 turbojet engines, which could propel the aircraft to a top speed of around 2,200 miles per hour. The SR-71 had a distinctive, sleek design with a pointed nose and large delta wings. It was painted black to help dissipate heat generated by its high-speed flight. The cockpit was specially designed to accommodate the pilots in a pressurized and air-conditioned environment. Design and capabilities. The SR-71 was designed to fly at speeds of over Mach 3 to 3 times the speed of sound, and at altitudes of up to 85,000 feet, which made it difficult to detect and intercept. It was powered by two Pratt & Whitney J58 turbojet engines, which could propel the aircraft to a top speed of around 2,200 miles per hour. The SR-71 had a distinctive, sleek design with a pointed nose and large delta wings. It was painted black to help dissipate heat generated by its high-speed flight. The cockpit was specially designed to accommodate the pilots in a pressurized and air-conditioned environment. The primary mission of the SR-71 was to conduct reconnaissance over enemy territory, gathering intelligence through high-resolution cameras and other sensors. The aircraft was also used for strategic reconnaissance, tracking the movement of enemy military forces and monitoring nuclear weapon sites. Development and production. The SR-71 was developed by Lockheed's famed Skunk Works division, led by Clarence Kelly Johnson. The project was classified and kept secret from the public until its first flight in 1964. The first operational SR-71s entered service in 1966. A total of 32 SR-71s were built, and they were operated by the Air Force from 1966 to 1998. The cost of each aircraft was estimated to be around $33 million at the time of production. Operational history and achievements. During its operational lifetime, the SR-71 was a critical asset for the United States in gathering intelligence on potential adversaries. The aircraft was used extensively in the Cold War era, flying missions over the Soviet Union, China, and North Korea. During the Cold War era, the SR-71 was used extensively by the United States Air Force for reconnaissance missions over some of the world's most sensitive and dangerous areas. The aircraft's advanced capabilities and ability to fly at extremely high altitudes and speeds made it an ideal platform for gathering intelligence on potential adversaries. One of the most significant uses of the SR-71 during the Cold War was its missions over the Soviet Union. The aircraft was used to gather intelligence on Soviet military capabilities, including missile sites, air defenses, and nuclear weapons facilities. These missions were incredibly dangerous, as the Soviet Union's air defenses were among the most advanced in the world at the time. The SR-71 was also used for reconnaissance missions over China, which was another major adversary of the United States during the Cold War. The aircraft was used to gather intelligence on Chinese military activities, including missile tests and naval operations. In addition to its missions over the Soviet Union and China, the SR-71 was also used extensively in the Korean Peninsula. The aircraft was used to gather intelligence on North Korean military activities, including missile tests and troop movements. The SR-71's reconnaissance missions during the Cold War provided crucial intelligence to the United States and its allies. This intelligence helped shape military strategy, inform policy decisions, and provide early warning of potential threats. The SR-71's capabilities and achievements remain a testament to the skill and ingenuity of the engineers and pilots who designed and operated this remarkable aircraft. In conclusion, the SR-71 Blackbird is truly one of the most remarkable aircraft ever built, and it continues to inspire engineers and aviation enthusiasts around the world. From its sleek design and advanced capabilities to its record-breaking speed and altitude, the Blackbird represents a pinnacle of American aerospace technology. Despite being retired from active service for nearly 2 decades, its legacy lives on, and it remains an enduring symbol of human ingenuity and determination. Whether you're fascinated by aviation history, cutting-edge technology, or simply appreciate the beauty of a finely crafted machine, the SR-71 Blackbird is a true marvel that deserves to be celebrated for generations to come.